business.
Next.
Good morning.
Good morning. You may have a seat. Thank you for coming to Johnson's Accounting Software Agency. And how may I help you?
Okay, I am Mrs. Boxwell from Boxwell Armory and Supplies, and I'm here to find out about, seek your advice about this computerized accounting software that I've been hearing about. I've seen your ad, and many of my colleagues who own other businesses have been convincing me that they have switched to this computerized accounting, and I've been using manual system over the years, and it's not such a problem to me. So I'm wondering, why should I switch?
Okay. The main difference between a manual system and a computerized system, I will be telling you about three of them. We have speed. And this is saying that the computerized system will go much faster than the manual system, right? Accounting software processes data and it creates report much faster than the manual system. Once data is input, you can create reports literally by pressing a button in a computerized system. Easy as ABC.
No, this sounds too good to be true.
It is. Next we have the cost. To you, you might say that manual is much cheaper because you just be buying paper and stuff. But think about it this way. You have a computer, you buy accounting software, you put it in one time and that's it. So you don't have to keep on buying papers. One time, install, good to go. Cost, cheaper. And then we have, the next difference is the backup. When you have a computerized system, it back up all your files in case of, something happened, you can easily go to the backup file and retrieve it. What happened with a manual? Once the paper is torn and stuff like that, it is finished. You cannot retrieve a torn paper.
One instance I was using the manual accounting system and I was, drawing up my account and I had a glass of water there and it spilled all over it.
See? That's the big difference. No spilling in the computerized system, Hope I help you there by differentiating some of the difference between the manual and the computerized. I hope I have done some work there for you. Any more questions, Ms. Boxwell?
Well, I was wondering what are the benefits of using this program, because I know that there must be some tremendous benefits why I should switch.
I am glad that you asked that question. There are always pros and cons in almost everything that we do in our lives today. And there is no exception with the accounting software. Whether it is manual or computerized, there are always drawbacks and always there's some benefits. However, the main focus will be on the benefits and downfall of the computerized accounting. We won't be going in the manual because you will already know about the manual. So first, think about calculations. Calculations are done automatically in a software program. It minimizes the errors and it increases efficiency. So you see that? Say for example, you buy 20 books and you already have 10. Instantly, it calculates the total. It will show you that you have 30 books in your system. That's what it does.
So I don't have to sit down with a calculator?
No, you don't have to do that. Then, one of the other advantages is that it manages all the company financial aspects of the business, everything, the payroll. You just put in the employee name and the basic pay and the hours, calculates the total hours work.
So now I can keep track of my persons who owe me.
Thank you. There you go. You're getting the drift of it. Another is using a computerized accounting system can save you a lot of time. Instead, you're sitting down there putting things one by one and stuff like that. The computerized system, you put in the invoice number and you put in the customer name. Instant, everything pop up on that customer. Background information, the amount owed, everything. Every single thing come up with a computerized system.
It sounds real good, but I'm sure there are many drawbacks.
No,
there's some catch to this. It's too good to be true.
No, there is not a lot of problem. Of course, I did tell you there are little. I want to be reasonable here. Of course, if you're not careful, you can, if you don't protect the computerized system, you can have data loss, right? In case of power failure, so you can have a backup system, you know, like a generator. Because like hooked up to your system, so in case of power, right?
You have to be wise in everything.
You have to be wise. So for example, you're doing your work and you're entering data, and the light just GPS turn off their light. Boop, your generator flipped in, and there you go. Nothing is lost, right? But that is a disadvantage in case you don't have a generator. Also, you have to protect your system from fraud. Because yes, fraud, that means you cannot allow every and anybody to have the security to your accounting software. You have to be very wise when it comes down to that. So those are some of the drawbacks. Fraud and electricity going out on you and stuff like that. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. So
any more questions, Miss Boxwell?
Yeah, sure, of course. So when I'm going out there to buy the software, what should I bear in mind? Because, you know,
first I want you to know that what is an accounting software? Business accounting software keeps tracks of the financial transaction. I've told you that before, right? So we have a lot of accounting software package, but I will be telling you about 4 of them. Not in depth, but a little idea so you can have an idea what they are. So we have the Intact. And what this does, if you're a big company, you can use the Intact for your financial accounting system, and it performs management and invoicing in addition to its core features, stuff like that. You know, it integrates with the other things around your office and stuff. But I'm sure you're a small business, right?
Yes, we are very small.
Then we have the NetSuite. NetSuite really is like it helps you with the inventory. You can use NetSuite because it helps you with HR, like employee names and inventory stock and stuff like that. And we have Adaptive. This is like for budgeting, forecasting and stuff like that. You know, most likely American Red Cross and places like that would really large company would use this.
Yes.
Then the last one I will tell you about is the Sage, is the Peachtree. Almost everywhere is using Peachtree because it is user friendly. It's not that it's a preference I have over all the rest, you know. It's just that for you,
recommending this for me?
I'm recommending Sage for you. Reason being, you're just starting out, you are small, and you said you are the one who is doing all the bookkeeping and stuff like that. So Sage will be excellent for you. You have your supplier's name, your customer name, your employee's name, everything. Once you put in the first set of information, everything balances out for you automatically with Sage. It is otherwise known as Peachtree. So you can think about that when shopping.
Okay, so
right. Any more questions?
Yes. I only have one more question for you.
Okay.
What are the factors that I would actually go there and
right.
bear in mind when I'm shopping for this software?
Okay, you seem very, very interested about this. You're getting interested, Miss Maxwell. I'm glad that I can be of help to you. Listen, the factors considered, you have to think of the ease of use. Will this be easy to use? Will I be able to use it to my own, advantage? Will I have any problem? So you look for ease of use, how to operate it, to ensure that the package is user friendly. And then again, I said you can use Sage for the initial stage.
Right.
And think about the arrangement with other tools. Like every business is distinctive and uses an excess amount of tools. Think about a software that can integrate with the other tools that you have in your business. Think about those. And another one you can think about is the connection with your bank. I know this will arouse your interest.
Connection with my bank?
Yes. Say for example you get a check from a customer. You can connect the software like automatically to your bank account, link it with it. So when you put in the check and everything on the total, automatically update your bank book saying that you have this in your bank book.
Thank you, Jesus, reduce gas. I don't have to travel to and from the bank.
And one more thing,
good.
Customer support. It gives you the ability to connect with an employee, like other users, and experts, like you can get advisors quick and say, other users like in Peachtree and my employee, this just about everything. Just about everything. Sage is an awesome package for you, Miss Boxwell, because you're just starting out and it is user friendly. I would recommend Sage for now. And if you grow in the future, like expand to a bigger business, then you can switch to NetSuite, Intact, any other, Oasis, any one of the other accounting software.
You have really, really enlightened me a lot about this computerized software, and I'm sure Mr. Boxwell will be pleased to hear all of this that I have to share with him. And Mrs. Johnson, I am so grateful for your advice. You're such check out for any more clarification and any concern that I might face. And I will see you next time. And keep up the good work. And keep up the good work.
Thank you, Ms. Maxwell, for coming. You can recommend any other person you want to know anything about accounting software and direct them straight to me.
Sure.
Gladwin, I was happy to visit with you. Enjoy the
Thank
rest
you
of
very
your
much.
day. You're welcome.
For your best accounting software, come to Johnson's Accounting Agency, located at Main Street Montage College campus. You can reach us at 556-6197, or you can email us at fishpatty@yahoo.com.